What's up there crew, Matt Vassallo here with the Rhinestone World. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use our brand new TRW Diamond-cut Bling Anything Sheets to bling out anything you want. So the example I'm going to use here today is we are going to do an awesome photo frame. Bling it out, it's going to add a ton of value to it. I'll show you where you can get the photo frame from. Use one of our diamond cut bling anything sheets and you got an awesome present for a friend or an awesome item for one of your customers. So stick around to see how. So your first question is, what is a diamond cut bling anything sheet? Check this out right here. So I'm going to show you a picture right here of this outside just using my phone in the sunlight. So these are all of our diamond cut stones. We use the SS6 stones, so there's even more facets, right? Which means more bling. Just on one sheet, there's over 18,500 diamond cut stones. When you look at that and you think about just buying the individual stones and making your own bling anything sheets, the price of this is going to be shocking to you, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bling out this picture frame right here. So I just grabbed this frame from Target. I'm sure you can find something on Amazon. I'll put the link below. I think it was $8 on Target, okay? And it's just got a little magnet. So when I move this, the acrylic just pops off. I can throw a picture back behind here, magnet holds it in place. I throw some bling down here, some bling along the sides right there, and if you wanted to, you could even throw some vinyl up in the corner where the picture is to customize it, right? Which would be pretty freaking awesome. So let's go ahead and show you how easy this is to bling out with our diamond cut bling anything sheets. All right, so this is our diamond cut bling anything sheet here, and again we're just in the inside so you're not going to see all the sparkle on it right now, but what you can do with this and what's so awesome about it with all of these SS6 stones is you just trim in the areas that you want. So a couple examples, I have a pick tool that I did here with the bling anything sheet. I have a just phone charger, again, that I just wrapped around it. Super simple, just measure out how many rows you need and you can trim it to be perfect like this right here. So what we need to do is we need to figure out what we need for this. So one way I like to do it is to wrap it all the way around. So basically I'm going to try and find the amount of rows that I need for this job. So to do that, I'm just going to look right here, and that looks good, and it looks like I am going to need to right here. So what I'm going to do is just come over here and just cut that a little bit. So I'm probably going to want to go the entire length because of how this wraps all the way around. So what I'll do now, just move these out of the way, and we'll just start cutting right down this strip right here. Alright, so now that we have it measured, I'm going to have it go right along the edge of the acrylic here, but leave that part open. And the reason why is I'm going to do another piece in that part, so I don't have to trim even more. So that looks good there. Again, right along this. That looks perfectly lined up there. And then down to here. And then I'm going to see where it ends, which is right here. So I'm just marking that kind of with my fingernail. And I'm going to cut across this. Alright. So let's get that back lined up perfect again. Alright, that looks good there, so you can see what we got so far. Now, this piece, not big enough, but I can save that for something else. And now I just need to measure out how many I need for this area. So I'll use this piece as kind of a starter, and know that I need 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 rows. So just gonna bring my sheet back and we're gonna measure out 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 is right there. So we need 13 this way. And we're good to go. Beautiful. And then let's just line this one up. Alright, so we got the sides all done. Now all we need to do is drop the front area right here. So let's get that measured up. Alright, so it looks like our magic for rows for this side is 13 as well. Alright, that looks good. Go here to here. Cut that, and then we can just line this up. So to line this up, pull that off. I'm going all the way to the edge again. That looks good there, check that out. Pretty amazing, right? Now what we want to do, we're just going to take this off, throw our picture in there, and there is our finished, amazing looking picture frame. Let me bring this outside and show you guys what it looks like. Alright crew, this is it, finished project right here. This one took me about 5 to 10 minutes and it's just a matter of measuring out the rows that you need for the stones, but with that sheet I could probably make 5+ of these right here, maybe even more than that. But check this out, just here in the sun right here, just showing you guys, and you can see the bling on it. I'll show you a close-up here of it. So these ones here are just the crystal stones, and then we have the crystal AB available as well. But check out how amazing these look right here, and how easy a project like this was as a custom gift, or obviously selling to your customers. You can do TVs, you can do cell phone cases, you can do whatever you imagine. That's why it's called Bling Anything. Alright, so hopefully this video helped you out. Make sure to click that like button, click that little subscribe button and the bell right next to it so you get a notification each time I create an awesome video like this. And I will put the link below in the description to our diamond cut Bling Anything sheets available on the website. And if you have any questions, shoot a comment. I'll answer and hook you guys up. Appreciate all of you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, bell, click that like button, and we'll see you guys soon. Later.